Hello all, welcome to Sri Purnima. This is Jyoti. We are based at Sadashvam Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. It's a home-based small shop. Today we have again two sets of saree collections. One is the daily wear saree collections and the other one is the cash linen saree collection. So I will move with the sarees now. So this is saree number 1. Hope the color and the video is clear. So this is saree number 1. These are daily wear saree collections. These will not come with the blouse material. So it's just a saree alone. So this is cotton blend. The fabric is cotton blend. It's a soft only, but the fabric is cotton blend. So this is saree number 1. It's a light blue color. It has this kind of printings. So it has in the border also it has this kind of printing. So this is saree number 1, a light blue color saree. Price is 380 rupees. And these sarees will not be coming with the blouse material. So this is the pallu. This is the pallu. In the pallu also everything is a printing and it has a small patch lace work at the borders. So this is saree number 1. Price is 380. Slight color variation is coming over the video. It is a light blue color. It's a sky blue color. So this is saree. So the body part will be like this and this is the pallu. There is no blouse in this saree. This is saree number 1. All these sarees are different patterns. So I will show the sarees one by one. This is saree number 1, light blue color. And this is second one. The fabric is soft. So the fabric is very soft. You can see, I hope you can able to see. The fabric is very soft. There is some color variation in this saree also. This is actually orange shade. So this is orange shade. So this is how the saree will be looking. This is the body part of the saree. So it has this kind of printings. It has this kind of printings on the body. So this is the lower part and this is the upper part and this is the pallu. This is how the pallu will be. Yeah, this is the pallu. So this is how the saree will be looking. Hope it's in the reverse side. I will show the correct side now. Okay. Actually, it's folded on the reverse side. So this is how the saree will be looking. This is the lower part and this is the upper part. This is saree number 2, orange shade. 380. The price of this one is 380. So the next saree is also light blue, but the pattern is pattern will be varying. So this is how the saree will be looking. The saree is very soft. It can be used for the daily wear. Okay. So this is saree number 3. It has the small mango buttas. It's printed. So this is the pallu part. And this is the body part. This is priced at 380. All these sarees are priced at 380. There will be no blouse coming along. So in the video there is a mild color variation coming. Even in the photos also there will be a mild color variation. It's actually a sky blue color. It's lighter than the color that is visible in the video. So this saree is priced at 380 rupees. So this is the body part and this is the pallu part. This is saree number 3. I'm moving with the next one. So this saree is having a small embroidery work in the part. So this is embroidery that is going having in the sari. So the sari is material is very soft and the quality is also very good. But there will be no blouse. That's the only issue with the sari, but you can match it with any other blouse also. So this has the embroidery work. Even in the body part it has small embroideries. So this is beige color, a sandal color with brown. So this is the pallu. In the pallu also it has a small works and printing. So this is how the sari will be looking. This is the pallu and this is the sari. In the sari it has embroidery work in the pallu and also in the bottom part. So I am giving a closer look of the bottom up. So this is the bottom embroidery that is in the sari. So the price of these saris are 380. There will be no blouse. So I'm moving with the next one. So this is full of printing with a lace work. So it has this kind. This is the lace work. So this is the lace work. And this is the pallu. Yeah, this is the pallu. This is how the pallu will be looking. And this is sari. So all of them are printed with a small lace border at the end. So this is sari number 5. This is sari number 5. This sari alone has a feel of a chiffon. It's a cotton blend only. The fabric is cotton blend, but the mixture is with a little of a chiffon. So this is sari number 5, price at 380. This is how the sari will be looking. So these are the collections that are available in the cotton blend sari for the mix one. So I'm moving with the next Kesh linen saris. So this is second set, price is 700. The price of these saris is 700. So this is the body part. So this is how the body will be looking. It is a dark brown color with maroon combination, and the blouse and the pallu will be more or less same. So this is the pallu. It has a dark brown with dark red with the maroon combination, and this is the blouse. This is a blouse. The blouse is matching. It's a little light shade of the pallu. So this is the blouse piece, and this is the pallu, and this is the body part. So this fabric is also a very soft fabric that can be used for the daily wear and also office wear. So this is sari number 6. So we have 2 other color combinations in this particular set. So I'm showing you the colors. So this is the second color. It's a baby pink with maroon combination, and it is a different shade of blue combination. So these are the 2 other color combinations that is available in this particular sari. These saris are priced at 700 rupees. So COD is also available. COD charges is 120 rupees extra for the processing that has to be paid to the courier agency. If you want to book any particular sari, please take the screenshot of the sari and WhatsApp me at 9150556870 for more enquiries. So that's all guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching.